So here we are using Amd Radeon 1600, which is the best processor in budget range. It has 6 cores and 12 threads, base clock of 3.2 GHz with 19 MB cache. It beats i7 7700K. GPU in two different builds. The first cheap one is RX 570. It's a beast actually, with 4 GB memory size. The second one for the little higher build is for the RX 580, 8 GB memory size. RAM we are using Crucial 8 GB 2400 MHz. We'll be using 2 RAM in the higher build. Here we are using Crucial SSD of 240 GB, SATA SSD of 6 GB per second. The hard drive we are using a Seagate of 1 TB. The motherboard is Asus Prime, a ATX based motherboard. It's a good motherboard for AMD processors. We are using the power supply of Corsair 450 watt in the upper build and Zebronics 450 watt power supply in the lower build. You can see the price difference is huge. Now in the cabinet, I would recommend you to buy it from the local shop and also the peripherals. Here there is a major price drop even though we have not used any different components. You can see we have used Ryzen 5 600 in both of them. Here we are using 8 GB RAM only.